HIQ complete sets. They are all in working condition, except the one on the right does have a partially broken clamp and a replaced knob here in the front, but it is also in working condition. You can see here they are all calibrated and have their own individual serial number. Today we're going to do a demonstration, show them turning on, show how they work. First we got to calibrate each one individually.
Charges. I think. The clamp is broken here.
This is where the clamp was broken on this one.
Here's works without that.
Yeah, it works without the charger plugged in. Still on here.
So, yeah, set out the temp. And just, yes. Okay.
Hey, thanks for checking them out.